So last year, one of the projects that we took on was to make this bunk bed for our boys. I apologize, I wasn't filming things at the time, so I have no video of making the bed. But this year, we want to extend the project further. We want to cut down the top of the closet and build a play loft above the doorway and closet. This will be a multi-part video series. In this part 1 will be the demolition and prep for building this thing up. Let's get started. The top right corner of the closet doorway was the high point, so I used the long level to mark a level cutting line. I took a razor blade and scored all the joints where I was going to be making cuts or ripping something apart. This was to hopefully help with avoiding tear out on the sheetrock or the paint. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And remember to watch out for part 2, where we will be framing up the loft, including the post supports, floor joists, and header beam. Until next time.